This unique multi-jig SVS-50 solves the problem of sharpening skew chisels with a rectangular or oval section. You can also put a radius on the edge. Pivot the jig on the beveled corner to create the curve. Since the tool is mounted in the center of the jig, you just turn it over to sharpen the other side. The skew angle can be set between 0 and 45 degrees. Here we have selected 30 degrees. With the Tormek Turning Tool Setter TTS 100, you're in full control of the three factors that determine the shape. Number 1. The jig setting. Number 2. The protrusion. And number 3, the distance to the stone. When you control these three factors, it's an easy job to resharpen your tools with precision over and over again. Of course, you can also make the settings without the TTS 100. The easiest way to replicate an existing straight-edge skew angle is to draw a line on the stone parallel with the universal support. Honing is a good investment of your time. You get a longer-lasting, really sharp edge that cuts easily and leaves a finer surface on your work. But this jig is called multi-jig for a reason. The middle section is interchangeable with the other open seat that comes with the jig. You can sharpen tools with the edge square across the shank, such as wood carving chisels, wide wood carving gouges, roughing gouges, and parting tools. The edge angle is set with the universal support. The jig housing keeps the tool straight onto the stone. Finish by honing away the burr and polishing the bevel on the leather honing wheel. Your tools are now ready for work.